Hello guys, today we're going to be making a video and we're gonna be checking out the sound quality of this creative Nuno. This speaker, this video is mainly just to see the difference between a 50 euro speaker and my other speaker. I will compare them side by side in a next video, but now I'm going to be showing you only this speaker. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the sound on so you can hear it. I know this doesn't seem like the original version. It is the original speaker, of course, but because the battery had a problem, I had to kinda mod it and solder another battery. It's the same power, so there won't be any sound difference between a brand new one and this right here, because it's the same battery, but I just changed it because it wouldn't work otherwise. Okay guys, now it's going to be playing at 50% volume. Okay guys, so this was 50% volume. Now I'm going to put 70 to 80% volume. I'm going to put it from the start. Okay, now guys, we are going to put it on max volume. Okay guys, so this was the first song we're going to test. I'm going to test a song that I tested on my last review that I did on my other speaker, so you can hear. This is going to be 50% volume.
See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with a local tax. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him. Lil' bro got a poker touch, where we grew up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap, I'll stay on my own, I'm home alone, of course, coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way, I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impacted distraction.
Okay guys, this was 50%. Now we're going to be testing 70 to 80% volume.
So we all lose focus.
Great.
Production. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with a local tax. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him. Lil' bro got a poker touch, where we grew up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap, I'll stay on my own, I'm home alone, of course, coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way, I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impacted distractions, so we...
Okay guys, so now we're going to put it at max volume.
Production. See, don't be on the road too tough, but I still cut you with a local tax. Could've ran off the plug, but I kept it real and I showed him. Lil' bro got a poker touch, where we grew up is so corrupt. Fancy me on the block, go nuts, I'm not in my bag, I'm loading. Back then it was hand to hand, nowadays I don't have no involvement. In the trap, I'll stay on my own, I'm home alone, of course, coking. YJ no commented that it's complicated, cause the case still open. The boys in blue trying to find them clues in the station, problem solving. Bro just jumped out the ride with a mask on face like he dodging COVID. Jumped off the porch and went my own way, no way, I don't owe no orders. Free all the guys and rest in peace to all of the fallen soldiers. The world full up of impacted distractions, so we all...
Okay guys, so this was the sound test. I hope you figure out how the speaker sounds, or what's its quality, and if it has bass or stuff like that. But I will compare it on the next video to the JBL. So let's say 4 times the price. Let's see if it's worth. Okay, bye bye.